Hello, assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Technology 2023. Today my topic is road crossing duct. As you can see it here in the video, all the road crossing ducts are providing for the access of the underground services to cross from one side of the road to the other side of the road. Every road crossing duct have their own sequence of work, like setting out, excavation, formation, pipeline, and concrete surrounding. An approved source of material for the pipe and concrete should be used as per the project specification. As you can see it here, this is a future duct EN6. EN means electrical input network. So here will be a road crossing duct will be installed here. This just the setting out point is marked here, and this will be across this road area. Any ducts which is less than 1.2 meter as specification should be concrete surrounding here. As you can see it here, SL2, it means street light duct will be crossing from here. The chainage and the location is already marked here. Setting out will be done here for this area, and then the duct will be proceed. The duct have a construction sequence like sting out, excavation, formation, pipeline, concrete surrounding, and backfilling. I will show you step by step this one. As you can see it here, this road crossing duct is for the LV cable. The chainage is already marked over there as a reference. LV mean light voltage cables. Sometimes it is MV, sometimes HV. MV means medium, and HV heavy voltage cable is there. So these are normally called the new designed proposed ducts, or sometimes it is called future ducts. In the future, the cable will be crossing from here, or as per the approved design, the proposed cable will be crossing from here, from one part of the road to the other side of the road. First of all, formation preparation will be prepared. Once the formation is approved and okay, then the pipe laying will be installed. As you can see it here, this is another duct here. Excavation formation is already approved. Pipe is laid here. Polythene sheet is provided in the bottom to avoid of the moisture loss from the concrete. This all duct will be concrete surrounding. All the road crossing duct concrete should not be more than the subgrade top level. Because as per the requirement, if any road crossing duct or any utilities which is have the depth less than 1.2 meter, this all should be concrete surrounding. As you can see it here, this is another duct. This is called EN4. EN4 means electrical network have 4 pipes here in the ducts. I will show you now here. So this is the future ducts. In the future, the cable will be crossing in these ducts. Ducts are actually the access to provide for the underground services to cross from one side of the road to another side of the road. As you see here, this was EN4. EN4 means there are 4 ducts will be installed in this area. Construction sequence will be the same for all: setting out, excavation, formation, pipeline, concrete surrounding, and backfilling. Before backfilling, wiring team to be installed here. The pipe should be as per the approved shop drawing. All the material should be approved. As you can see it here, this all the same duct is already concrete casted here, concrete surrounding. Concrete surrounding should be done as per the approved short drawing. Normally, the concrete surrounding should be 150 mm around all the pipes, and at least 5 cm gap should be provided between each pipes. The spacer should be used for this one. As you can see it here, the concrete is casted already here in this area. After this area will be bitumen coating. This concrete duct will be bitumen coating, and wiring tape will be installed. This is another duct, as I showed in the previous clip, the road crossing duct here. This is also concrete surrounding is completed here. The source of concrete and the material for the pipe should be approved one. Any material used for the concrete surrounding for the pipeline should be approved prior to deliver any work or execute any work at site. As you can see it here, all the concrete ducts and the underground utilities has been completed. The underground ducts and the gullies, these are the shallow activities, so that's why this should be started after the deep excavation utilities has been completed, like fall sewer line, TC line, potable water line, surface water line. So once all this activities is completed, then the road crossing duct will be installed. As you can see it here, all the road crossing ducts and gullies is completed here. This is the manhole connection with the gullies. I will show you the duct in this area now, where and the duct stop concrete should be at the minimum at the subgrade top level, should not be rose more than the subgrade top level. Any concrete should not go raise to the pavement structure. As you can see it here, this is one manhole. The manhole concrete slab should be at the bottom of the subgrade or at least on the top of the subgrade. As you can see it here, this is now on the subgrade bottom level. Sometimes one layer or sometimes two layers is coming over the concrete ducts, and sometimes it is on the subgrade top level. So at least on the subgrade top level, the duct should be finished, and this should be bitumen coating and warning tape should be installed. As you can see it here, this duct is almost completed here. It means one layer of the backfill will come here to match with the manhole cover level. Then this will be the final subgrade top level. As you can see it here, this is another duct. It's crossing the roads. So any duct which is crossing the road should be concrete surrounding. If the clear depth from the top of the pipe up to finish road level is less than 1.2 meter, this should be concrete surrounding. As you can see it here, this is the existing utilities and the future ducts are being installed here. Sometimes we are providing the protection slab. As you can see it on the right hand side, one cable is going to this substation area. These are the protection slab. The protection slab should also be as per the approved drawing. One cable is going here to the near substation. So that's why it is provided protection slab that can be easily removed and to maintain or do the maintenance for the cable laying. As you can see in this clip, the concrete surrounding is almost completed. Bitumen coating is done on the road crossing duct. Warning tape is almost installed because two utilities passing from this area. So different type of the warning tapes approved source should be used here. After the warning tape installation, this area will be backfilled to reach up to the subgrade bottom level. As you can see it here, before here was 1 in 4 duct. As I showed in the previous clip, this area is already backfilled and covered. Now you will not see visually this one, the duct, because there is also the duct is buried in the backfill material. In the future, the surveyor will come here and he will mark out the points, and he can find the ducts here. Because once the duct is completed, the as-built should be taken and should be recorded. So in the future, any work want to do in the duct area, you can easily find this one. As you can see it here, this is the potable water line duct is here. Also the gully concrete surrounding here, concrete duct is here. One potable line is passing from this area, which is already buried. As you can see it, we start the backfilling material here. This is the subgrade backfilling. All the road crossing duct should be buried in the subgrade top level.